Crash course on sociology, social stratification and inequality. Learn about social stratification and inequality, including race, ethnicity, and gender. Certainly. Social stratification and inequality are important concepts in sociology, which refer to the ways in which society is divided into different social groups, and how these groups are hierarchically arranged based on various characteristics such as race, ethnicity, gender, class, and more. In this crash course on sociology, we'll be exploring the topic of social stratification and inequality, with a focus on race, ethnicity, and gender. First, let's delve into some interesting examples to help illustrate these concepts. Consider the case of the United States, where there is a well-documented history of racial and ethnic inequality. For instance, African Americans have been subject to systematic discrimination and oppression for centuries, dating back to slavery and continuing through the Jim Crow era of segregation and into the present day. This has had significant implications for their social, economic, and political status, resulting in a wide range of disparities in areas such as education, employment, health, and criminal justice. Similarly, gender inequality is another pervasive issue in many societies around the world. Women have historically been relegated to a lower social status than men, with limited opportunities for education, employment, and political participation. While significant progress has been made in recent decades to address these disparities, gender inequality remains a persistent problem in many parts of the world, with women continuing to face discrimination and violence on a daily basis. Now, let's explore the top 12 areas of social inequality in the world. 1. Race and ethnicity. The social and cultural categories used to classify people based on perceived physical and cultural differences. 2. Gender. The social and cultural expectations and roles assigned to individuals based on their sex. 3. Social class. The social hierarchy based on economic and social status. 4. Education. The unequal access to and quality of education, leading to disparities in employment and income. 5. Health. The disparities in health outcomes based on social, economic, and environmental factors. 6. Age. The social and cultural attitudes and expectations based on age, which can lead to discrimination and marginalization. 7. Disability. The social and cultural attitudes towards people with disabilities, which can lead to discrimination and exclusion. 8. Sexual orientation. The social and cultural attitudes towards individuals with non-heterosexual orientations, which can lead to discrimination and marginalization. 9. Religion. The social and cultural attitudes towards different religions, which can lead to discrimination and conflict. 10. Immigration. The social and political attitudes towards immigrants and refugees, which can lead to exclusion and marginalization. 11. Language. The social and cultural attitudes towards different languages, which can lead to discrimination and exclusion. 12. Geography. The social and economic disparities between urban and rural areas, which can lead to marginalization and inequality. In summary, social stratification and inequality are important concepts in sociology that refer to the ways in which society is divided into different social groups, and how these groups are hierarchically arranged based on various characteristics such as race, ethnicity, gender, class, and more. Social inequality exists in many different areas, including race and ethnicity, gender, social class, education, health, age, disability, sexual orientation, religion, immigration, language, and geography. By understanding these issues and working to address them, we can promote greater social justice and equality for all. And now, to end this article, here's a poem about social inequality. Social inequality, a fact of life. A product of our social strife. From race and ethnicity to gender and class. We're all divided into different social castes. Discrimination and oppression are the hallmarks of this social lesson. We strive for equality and justice. But progress is often slow and arduous. Education and health, wealth and power are all divided by social towers. The haves and have-nots. Some are born into privilege, others into poverty and disadvantage. But we must work to bridge the gap. To ensure everyone has a fair and equal path, we must challenge the systems of inequality and fight for social justice and equity. For only then can we truly be a society that's fair and free. Let us break down these social barriers and build a world that's fairer, where everyone can reach their potential, and inequality is not so consequential. So let us work together, hand in hand, to create a world that's truly grand, where social inequality is no longer the norm, and everyone is treated with respect and warmth. For we are all human, and deserve to be treated equally and with dignity. Let us strive towards this noble goal. and create a world that's truly whole. ******, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 =7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.